Tiffany's here.
I'm here.
You're here.
Yes.
She is the global artist for LORAC, and we met her first on my swag bag live opening.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers to LORAC. Thank you for coming. You came back.
I did. We had a lot of fun the first time.
We sure did.
So we wanted to do it again.
You guys all asked for looks, so that's why she's here, and she's going to show you looks. And I think we're going to start with a day to night on me. So Can we do it?
We can do it.
We're doing it!
Yeah. Okay, we're starting with the behind the scenes eye primer. Jamie's number, wait, these are my HSN hands.
Yes, HSN hands. Sell that product, honey.
So it's just a little bit of this that goes a long way.
I have to warn you, I'm an old lady, and one of my eyes is bigger than the other, and they're crepey. So good luck with that.
That's all right. I like to use my ring fingers. Apparently that's the gentle finger that has fewer muscles to tug and pull at the eye. What I love about this, yes, it's gonna grab onto your products and keep them on longer because any good primer would do that. But it also has this smoothing effect for redness. It helps to kind of calm and soothe the eye as well and blur any redness, or sometimes we have fine lines and also like little veins on our eyelids.
Lots of veins.
Yeah. I'm going to start with this Mega Pro 3 palette, and we're going to create a day to night effect. Let me show you the brush I'm using. It's a crease brush. It's soft. It's fluffy. The fluffier brushes apply the color a little bit more softly. More firm, small, tight bristle brushes give you more color payoff. We're just getting a little bit here on the tip of the brush. This one is the third one in. It's called Pecan, or if you're from the South, it's Pecan.
Pecan.
Pecan. This one is a matte shade. And you can layer this to create depth if you want. I love that the mattes in this palette too, the way that they're created, the matte shades are very smooth. So like a lot of mattes I've tried can be dry looking. So I think it has something to do with the skin soothing botanicals.
That's so pretty. Just that is pretty. Pecan.
Just
pecan pie! You can wear this for Thanksgiving, y'all! So I just want you guys to see, like, we worked on this, blending it into my crease, and it's just super natural, but sometimes you gotta take a little more time than just a swipe. Yeah. You gotta work it, and that's why the tools are so important too.
Yeah, for sure. A lot of times people will do sort of just your standard, which is great, you can totally do, but I do like a little bit of a swirl.
Like a swirly circular, keep moving.
Yeah, and I like to blend it upwards towards the brow bone a little more.
Tiffany, I haven't had my makeup done in a really long time, and you know what I love about it? I learn new things every time someone else does my makeup.
So now we're gonna add a little bit of a sheen on the lid using one of the shimmer shades, one of my favorites, Cider. I'm just gonna take that and pop it onto the center of the lid, and that's gonna bring glow and lift and brightness to the eye, and that's gonna be your day look. I'm gonna use a more rounded flat brush. You guys can see I'm barely doing any, like, you don't have to dig around to get these colors because they're super pigmented. And I'm just patting it on. I like to start with the rounded part of the brush down by the base of the lash because that gets the eyeshadow right next to the eyelashes. Yeah, very, very pretty. So I'm gonna do one little quick thing, and that's gonna finish the day look.
Tiffany.
That's gorgeous.
Thank you.
Yeah. So go back to the pecan, blend it into the crease, and then we'll be done with the day look. That last little bit of definition too, like in the crease and the outer edge.
Love it. That's day.
That's
and then
day.
A little mascara, you think?
A little mascara.
Well, should we wait on the mascara because we're going to elevate tonight?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
So at this point during the day, you would normally do the mascara.
I put some mascara on, maybe a little blush and a lip, and be done. So now you're going to bump it up into night.
Yep. And I love layering our Luxe Diamond Creme shadows, which are actually cream-based eyeshadows in the little pot. Infused with diamonds, by the way, like actual diamonds are in the formula.
And they're a girl's best friend, don't you know?
Exactly. This is Velvet.
Oh, that is heaven is what
Very
that is.
pretty. It's sort of a rich plummy brown tone. They're very easy to use, right? So a lot of times you don't have a ton of time. I can show you guys a look how to do just a really quick eye with using one shade. Today we're going to show how you can layer this over a powder. You can use fingers, you can use a brush. Today I'm going to use a brush. A fluffier brush puts on the softer amount of color. It's really flexible and soft.
Beautiful.
And I'm just going to kind of get a little product here, and we are going to build at the outer edge of the eye. And you can layer this, you can make it as deep as you want. You could do it very subtle if you like a more soft look. We took the Mega Pro 3 powder shadows first, and we're layering them with the Luxe Diamond Creme in Velvet. Going in the crease And that kind of swirling motion I like to use, which blends as it applies. Okay, so now that we have the color on the crease and we've added some drama, I like to use a fresh brush with no product to blend. So this one's kind of just a small dome brush.
Gorge.
So pretty.
Another thing that I love about these powder shadows, you can use them as eyeliners.
Love it.
So it's a really all-in-one palette. You can use it dry, just kind of a soft, subtle, fill in the lash base look, or you can use the product wet, because the formula itself is designed to be used wet or dry.
Woo!
And I'm going to use this jet black color because we're going for a smoky look. With this little tiny brush here, it's angled, which I like to use. It's very fine and thin.
Yes.
And I'm not plugging any specific spray water company.
She bougie.
I do like to use this to spray the actual brush. So we're just gonna get a little. So I like to do the spray because it doesn't completely soak the brush. Otherwise I would just dip the brush in water.
Right.
My face appreciates the Evian, so my eyes rather. I don't do LA tap.
Just kidding, I do.
I just go tight to the base of the lashes and then work my way up. People ask me sometimes, they might ask you this too, like should I do top and bottom liner? Should I just do bottom liner? Should I just do top liner? Like what? I always like to do top liner, always brings the eyes up. So you can see like that's just a little tiny.
I'm gonna look so much more awake.
Obviously bottom liner is gonna add the drama, but if you're somebody who's maybe has a more closed eye shape, sometimes it can also make the eye appear smaller. So totally up to you. It doesn't matter how you do it, but that's just sort of what I use it as a determination.
Look at the, I mean, it literally like, awake, sleeping, awake, sleeping. Zit. So why don't we take a little of your eyeshadow?
So again, just a little angled brush.
So pretty. All right, now we're gonna do mascara. Or you want me to do it or you wanna do it?
You do it.
I do it?
This is our brand new mascara. It is our Luxe First Class Lash. And I am obsessed with it. I love the precision wand. It's designed to give you sky high lashes. It's easy to build on. So like if you like to do multiple layers of mascara, that's also amazing.
I love it.
It smells fancy.
Ooh, this is good mascara.
Yeah.
This is great mascara.
Yeah.
I look good.
Ooh.
There we go.
Ooh, smoky.
I love it.
We used 2 shadows,
2 shadows.
1 creme.
1 creme. And
then
some mascara.
and then
you used another
shadow for the liner.
Yeah. Thank you so much. LORAC is such a supporter of me and my swag bag, and they're one of my favorite brands ever. You guys make quality, awesome products. And you come with the brand, so I mean, you can't lose. She's gorgeous, she's talented, she's awesome, sweet, funny.
You're amazing. Oh, Jamie.
She wears leopard. I should have worn some leopard today.
I love some leopard.
So check out LORAC.com. These creams are easy. And the other thing about the creams is like, even you can just, and that can be your day. We love you guys. Bye.
Bye.